Alright guys, so here's that really thin blade. I'll throw the link and specs down below so you guys can see it, but I got it aligned right in the middle of the wheel here. Got it right where it should be with the bearings. So let's do a couple of test cuts and see how well it performs. Alright, so here is the rough cut piece. And yeah, it's rough, but it's pretty good. For such a small skinny blade. Small little teeth, you can definitely do some curves. But this is a pretty uniform, pretty good. Run it through the sander and you're good to go. And it comes with two packs, so in case I guess one breaks. So yeah, I think it's a win.